Song you learn for the choreography for. Tonight is the night. No more out down, 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 down view. I hate this love song. Hey young. Oh shit. I didn't shave or wax. What's up, you guys? It's Shenanigans again, and it's another episode or another video for my Get Ready With Me Chatty series. And this time I'm going to do the K-pop tag because I've always wanted to do this, and I think now's the time to talk about my love for K-pop while getting ready. So let's get started. So first I spray some water just to hydrate myself before. I put from AVENE thermal spring water. Okay, first I will put on some primer. After the water, I put on some primer. I got this. This is the HEIMISH Art Glow Base Style Korean. Thank you, Style Korean. Sent me samples of the HEIMISH Art Glow Base. So this is my favorite primer right now. It's really good. It sticks the whole time, and it's SPF 50. So not only does it serve as a primer, it's like a UV protection as well. So let it seep in. Let's do 5 questions first before I put on foundation. Who is my favorite solo artist? Definitely G-Dragon, Kwon Ji-young, because I mean he's a solo artist. Not only is he a member of the band Big Bang, but he's known for being a solo artist as well. So I choose GD. You know, man. GD, my bae forever. Top 5 bias groups. First, okay, no questions asked. Big Bang. Second, Super Junior. Third, Blackpink in your area. Fourth, BTS. And then 5th is EXO or SHINee. So I can't choose between EXO and SHINee. Next question. This one. Ito, here. How did you get into K-pop? How did I get into K-pop? Well, the first time that I honestly heard about K-pop was back when I was in first year high school. The first person that I heard about K-pop was the news of Sandara Park, who will be debuting as a K-pop artist in South Korea. And I've been following her ever since Star Circle Quest. So when I heard she became like this K-pop artist, I was so intrigued and interested. So I instantly got hooked when I heard them saying fire. You get the fire, na 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 na, pum pum pum, nega chicha naga. So after that, I started listening to 21, Big Bang, and then it went by already. That's how I got into K-pop. Have you gone to any K-pop concerts? Yes. I've been to GD's concert last year, and if you don't know about that, I vlogged about it. I went to Bangkok, all the way to Bangkok, just to watch GD live for the first time, and it was the best day of my life. I did not regret all the money that I spent. Best night of my life. I'm sweating. Sorry about that. I'm sweating really hard, so the first thing I do is I conceal all the really of my face, and I use the SAEM Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. And I've been loving this. It's really good coverage. So in O2, that's my shade. So yeah. Usually I kinda don't wanna put foundation anymore sometimes when I go out because I don't like to let my skin suffocate. Time to blend it out. And I've been using my Real Techniques brush, and I'm loving this brush. Sorry. The next question is, do you have any K-pop merch? No, I don't. Wait. No. Yes. I don't know. I don't know if you call it a K-pop merch, but I would just... My friend recently gave me the Peace-1 shirt. It's G-Dragon's, GD's fashion brand. And I'm so in love with it. So, yeah, I think that's a K-pop merch. Do you watch variety shows? Yes. Recently, I've been loving watching variety shows more than watching K-drama shows already, because I love how just entertaining the comedians are. My top 3 biases. Shit, are you serious? If we're gonna say top 3 biases for men, I would say GD, Donghae from Super Junior. I love Donghae. And Mino from SHINee. So, yeah, those are my top 3. And they're like the second gen kind of K-pop, not the right now. Because I love the second gen. I always love the second gen. Okay. For women, if you're letting me choose like top 3 biases for women, first is definitely Jennie from Blackpink in your area. And Lisa. So that's 2. Who's my third? Ooh! IU. Oh wait! My favorite solo artist! Can we go back? So my favorite solo artist is GD and IU. GD and IU. Oh my god, I totally forgot about her, but I so love her. Okay. What was the first K-pop song you immediately liked upon hearing? Wait, sorry. The foundation I use is my go-to foundation, which I've always featured. It's the Makeup Forever Professional Paris Ultra HD. So, yeah. So I blended. Like I said, Fire by 21. So that instantly got me to liking K-pop. And, yeah. Do you listen to solo artists as much as groups? Yes. I support all the artists. I love solo artists as well. So, IU, as I mentioned, IU, Eric Nam, Loco, Zion T, J-Par, Park Chae-boom. Oh my god, I love him. Dean is my favorite too. CK, DRP and CK are my favorite right now. What has been your favorite comeback of the year? What has been my favorite comeback of the year? Oh, definitely it's GD. I'm so sorry, guys. I know you guys are like tired of me talking about GD, but it's GD's comeback. But other than that, Super Junior, GD, and BTS. So first, I'll be using, to get the orangey look, I'll be using a blush powder, because I like using blush as my eyeshadow. This is the Captivating Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. So I put it. It's just a really simple makeup, I swear to you guys. So who would you want as an older sister? Oh, dude, definitely. I forgot to mention her. Yeah, but definitely CL. Cherin Lee. Oh my god, I love CL. CL, I love her. She's like my queen of K-pop. If your bias kissed you, how would you react? Oh my god. If GD or Mino kisses, or Donghae, oh my god. Girl, I'd die. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna freak out if like that happens to me. I wish they would kiss me in it. I'll be using the Naked 3 Urban Decay as usual. Right, so I'm gonna use the trick for my outer crease, and then I'm gonna blend it. In terms of songs, which group is the best? I would say Big Bang. Big Bang, because they really know what their style of music, and you really can tell that they're gods of K-pop and of music, Korean music. BTS, because they talk about social issues and they really reach out to their fans. I feel like they want to connect to their fans with their songs. Next, I'm gonna put my eyebrows. Next is my ideal type in K-pop. Definitely Minho from SHINee, because one, he's very handsome and he's so tall. I love Minho. He's my bias in SHINee, so I love him. He just seems so caring and loving, and a loving kind of person, so I love him. He's my ideal type in K-pop. Next, K-pop song you never get tired of listening. First, it's the Big Bang songs, especially Bang Bang Bang! And the second would be Palette by IU and GD. It's such a really good song and a feel-good song for me. Oh, and Coffee by BTS. Baby, baby, 그때는 caramel macchiato. Song you learn for the choreography for. Oh, I love you so much. That's my favorite part. That's my favorite part. I'm like TT, just like TT. I'm like TT, just like TT. Ah, tell me would you be my baby? Okay, I'm done. Magic. Yeah, I know that. Eyebrows. Is it on point now? So basically, this is like how I put a little orange under my eye. I don't put eyeliner because I'm not a big fan of eyeliner. I'll be putting on mascara. Favorite K-pop fashionista. Okay. Favorite K-pop fashionista first is Mabe. Everyone knows that he's a really fashion-forward kind of person in the street style, and it's GD. I love him so much. Jennie from Blackpink, I love her. So she knows how to dress really well. Last question. Current favorite K-pop songs. The whole album of We've Done Something by Epic High. The whole EP of DPR. It's really good, guys. Of course, GD's Untitled 2014. And then the final touch for my face, 3CE Style Nanda Matte in number 221 Mellow Flower, and it's really good pigment, you guys. Look, God, it's so good. This is how I look like right now. It's very orange, right? And then there's this orange thing. I'm not sure if you can see it though, but yeah, it's also orangey. Really, they're all orange. Like, my whole face is orange, but it's all good. I hope you liked the makeup. And I hope you guys enjoyed my K-pop tag and my story and my love for K-pop. Listen to K-pop. Listen to all music. It's very energizing and it's very entertaining. And I'm sure you guys will love it as well. So I'll see you next time, you guys. And thank you for watching. Always stay grateful and paalam!